This lecture we will discuss about the OSS. In the last lecture we will discuss about information systems classified by information systems. So first part was the OSS. OSS means operational systems, support systems. So what are the operational support systems? As I told you in the last video, operational support system will be focusing on the operations. Okay, so here the OSS, data input done by the end users. Whatever data will be coming, whatever data is in the input, that will be done by the end users, means last user. Okay, those are the subordinates, those are the department persons who have the data that will be stored in the system, and that OSS will generate information product that will be called the reports. Okay, so whatever information will be stored, that will be generate one information that is called the reports. And last is utilized by internal and external users. Whatever report will be coming, that report will be useful for internal users and external users. According to that information, internal persons in the organizational persons taking some decisions, and external persons communicate with the internal persons. So these three things are called the OSS. Okay, operational support systems. Now what are the aims, main aim of the OSS? First one is business transactions, second one is control protection, third one is support internal external communications, and last one is update database. So how they will facilitate business transactions? All the reports will be coming. So according to reports, we can any internal and external users can understand how much transactions can be done in the business. Next one is control production. How we can production will be going in the business. So every milestone will be decided. That means this much work will be done in this given time. After that, completion of this given time and that work, after that we will start the next step, and how much time will be given in the report. According to that time we have to finish second step within the time. So like this we can control in the production. Next, support internal external communication. Whatever internal external communication or promises will be done in the starting time, that will be also stored in the reports. So whatever output will be coming after control production, that has to be matched according to the report, and all the outputs will be updated daily wise in the database. Okay, so I hope now you can understand about the OSS. Now OSS also again divided in the three systems. First one is TPS, next one is PCS, and third one is enterprise collaboration. So first is TPS, means transaction processing system. As you can understand, here we will talk about the transactions in the different departments. Next one is process control system, where we will discuss about the procedures. Next one is enterprise collaboration system, where collaborations are coming within the enterprises. Okay, so let's start with the first system is transaction processing system. So in the transaction processing system, several types of transactions can be come within the organization and depend on the organizations. Okay, for example, one banking organizations we will talk. Okay, so in the banking organization, some sales department are there. According to the sales, account persons will be start the processing according to the sales. Whatever account person will be show, that will be going for the finance people. That means how much finance can be do in the organization. Next, engineering and HR and marketing. Whatever product will be coming, that product will be done by the engineers. After giving output by the engineers, then HR and marketing people will do that work. Next, these also categorized. Okay, this transaction TPS will be also subcategorized in the different systems. So there are the three systems are there. First one is batch transaction processing, single transaction processing, and real time transaction processing. Sometimes you can see the salary will be going, marks will be going, certificates will be uh, spread. So how they will categorized? So sometimes batch transaction processing will be coming, means that if we are taking about the populations, then how we can categorize the populations are lower BPL, upper BPL, middle class, upper middle class, and top class. So this, like this, we have to categorize the batches. So in the transaction processing also we have to make some batches so that we can transact in the transaction, we can do transactions in the system. Next one is single transaction processing. If you have to transact some same amount of data in the same type of peoples in the same type of operations, then you have to use single transaction processing. Next one is real time transaction processing. According to the situation, the system will take some actions. So those actions are coming real time transactions processing. Okay, so these three are subcategorized types of the TPS means transaction processing system. Next point is process control system. As I told you before, the according to the procedure control system will be going. So here decision done by computer systems. Whatever computer system can do all the process, that process will decide what has to be done in next level. Last one is enterprise collaboration system. Enterprise collaboration system, in that system, collaborative efforts for improving communication and sharing of data. When you have to collaborate with different industries, then you have to do some collaborative efforts for improving your relations with different companies, and you have to share some data with the different companies so that you can attract to the different companies and they will invest their money to your company, so that it will be useful and good for your organization. Okay, so these are the three types of the OSS, and OSS have three types: TPS, PCS, and ECS. Next, TPS also have three category, like batch transaction systems and single transaction systems and real time transaction systems. So those are the classification of the information system. Next point is MSS, that will be discussed in the next lecture. Thank you.